Assalamu alaikum, my name is Bushra Naeem. I'm from Delhi, Pakistan, and today we will be unboxing this really beautiful phone which we have today, OPPO F9. It is a newly launched mobile phone. It is really beautiful, as you can see. OPPO is known for its unique charging technology, which is called VOOC charge technology. It is new in the market, and basically the characteristics of the charging technology is that it will give you 5 minutes of charging and 2 hours of talk time, which is very amazing in the time of networking and social media, where we are all hooked to our mobile phones. That would be the best thing one could ask for. Let's look at the box of this phone. As you can see, there is this visual branding of this very sleek OPPO phone, and as you can see, there are these vivid two tones on the back of this phone. On the top we have the F9, which is the model. There are two variants to this phone. It comes in two variants. As you can see on the top left corner, there is this 4GB, which is for $39,999, and 6GB, which is for $44,999. There's this really nice box, and as you can see on the back, we have all the features. We talked about the VOOC charging technology. It is 3500 mAh battery, dual rear camera, and 25 MP. This is basically your camera, and this is also your camera. This is for your selfie camera, this is for your back camera. We have 6.3 water drop screen. We'll be talking about this later on. Let's unbox this beautiful device, and which I am pretty sure all the tech savvies would like. As you can see, we've unboxed it. When you open it, you see the logo, and on the logo is basically on an envelope-like box. When you open that envelope-like box, you will see this SIM injecting pin, and there is this further we see these quick guides. You can easily go and check this out if you have any issues. This is a very nice, glossy, beautiful silicone cover. The best thing about this, about OPPO and this unboxing, is that we have everything on hand. They have provided us with the injecting pin, the quick guide of course, and then we have this silicone cover. We'll just put it aside for now, and you will see there is this cover case on the mobile phone. We'll pick it up, we will open it for you, and here it is. It is so beautiful. As you can see the back, you can see the shades. It is black and blue. It is very glossy, as we would like it. When you see the front, you see the water drop screen, which basically means that you have got the maximum ratios of the screen. Here we have the camera. On the left side we have the volume buttons. Here you can insert the SIM. On the right end you can see the power button, from which you can turn on the mobile phone. Here you would insert the headphones. Here we have the speakers and the charging port. It is a beautiful phone, and when you see it, it is so glossy. It is a lot mirror-like. We will turn on the mobile phone now. We have turned on the phone. As you can see, there is a language and stuff. We'll get back to it. Here is the charger. I must tell you, the charger is of 5 volt and 4 ampere. It is a really nice charger, and it will be basically what we would be needing with our phone, of course. And then we have this wire which will be attached to the charger, and then you can have your perfect 2-hour battery talk time with only 5 minutes of charging. Then we have further ahead these really beautiful, these really nice headphones, as you can see. Let's quickly set up this phone, and we'll be selecting a few options. Okay, now that we have set up the phone, we can now add our fingerprint, which is on the back, which is really amazing. We will have to place our finger over here, and it will read our finger. Now we are on the enroll face facial info. We will continue it, and we will register our face in it. I would like to talk about how quick all the setup was. Okay, so we will be checking the best part of this unboxing. I am really excited and intrigued about the charging process of this mobile phone. We'll just plug this in, and we'll see over here the charging percentage is right over here on the top of this VOOC, which is the technology used for this amazing battery timing. And as you can see, it is charging, and we'll just wait and watch for it. As it is getting charged, I'd like to mention they already do have a few bit of battery when we unboxed it. Over here on the top of the screen you can see the time, and wow, we have got 1% of battery already, which means that it is the mobile phone and the technology which OPPO said is up to the mark, and it's all true. And I would like all of you guys to try it out for yourself, and you can get amazed by this amazing technology. Okay, so let's talk about the design. It is very sleek, as I've mentioned it before. It is very glossy. Even we should talk about the camera, selfie camera, which is very important for nowadays as we are all hooked to the social media. It is 25 megapixel AI powered selfie camera. Now that we have talked about the front, we must talk about the back, because it is as beautiful as front. I must say, it is glossy. It has gradient color, which means you have two tones to it. One is blue, one is black. Very glossy. Here you can have, you will have to place your finger in order to detect your fingerprints. We have dual camera. One is 16 megapixel and the other is 2. It is dual camera. Here we have LED flash, which will enable you guys and for everyone to take nice pictures even in the dark. As we were talking about the gradient coloring, you must see through the camera that we have really nice design happening over here. With that, we have this black and blue color to it. I hope you are able to see it in the camera. It is very beautiful, very glossy and mirror-like, and even if you're in a hurry and you want to get ready, you can always see yourself in it. We'll go to the settings for more information about this phone. Over here we'll go to about phone. We will open all the details over here. The best thing about this phone is that they have used the latest version of Android, which is Oreo 8.1, and it simultaneously uses Color OS version 5.2. The system on this chipset on OPPO F9 is powerful, a proof of which a seamless acquisition of high-end games and applications simultaneously due to its Octa core Helio P60 processor. That means that you will be able to do and use different applications on the same time. We'll talk about the camera, which is very important for us and our social networking. As you all know, we'll open the camera. We'll just take a picture of this box to show you how nice and vivid the details of this camera are. We just took a picture, and as you can see, there are these very vivid lines to it. You can see all the details. Now I'll check the selfie camera, the front camera, as known as the front camera. I'll just take a picture to show you guys how the details are. As you can see, the details are very vivid. You can see all the lines, all the curves and all the tailoring. It is really beautiful. It is the lighting, the color lighting is really nice. The white balance is really nice, and it's an amazing picture. I like to rate it out of 5. It's basically a 5. So I'd like you guys to check it out because it's amazing with really nice technology. As we're on the go, we don't have the time to charge our mobile phones, and also we need more in less nowadays. So this is your answer.